I actually just posted this exact same analysis on Twitter 51 minutes ago, and I will just take you guys through exactly what I posted there here. So, again, for those of you that don't know, each one of these little weird looking things represents 1 day of trading, okay? And what I'm seeing here is a bracket, okay? So I'm seeing this as being kind of a higher time frame range, if you will, which I'm going to call a bracket, okay? And let me change this. No fill. Okay. Let's make it bold. Okay. So is everyone with me so far? We have traded up and down across this level a couple times, so we can see that this is forming this area, okay? So within that, what else can we see? Well, one thing that's really important to me in general, like the most important thing to me are balance areas. So first thing that I'm saying is that this entire zone that I've highlighted here is becoming a balance area, a range, okay? Within that, we all know we can look at different time frames, even on the same chart in a lot of cases. Within that, here's what I'm seeing, okay? This is a balance area within that, okay? And I'm also seeing now we had a very, like up until today, you know, I'm looking at, here's these excess lows and we have this balance area, and then today we're also in that. Now, what other information can I garner from this? Well, one of the biggest clues to me is, let's zoom in just a touch here so I can show you something important. Okay. Okay, so here's the start of that bracket that I drew, okay? And we traded down, and what I want you to see, you see how the upper end of this profile is very thin? Same with this one. This one has one dot by itself. This one has one dot by itself. This has 3 periods, which if I break these apart, this is just, imagine that this is just a 30-minute bar chart. Each one of these bars are 30 minutes, okay? So as you can see, 3 different 30-minute periods got to this, call it 4670 level, and did not get below there. We couldn't get below there. Now, the way I see markets is that there's cycles that are occurring, okay? We know that there's cycles that are occurring in terms of up and down moves. That may be range bound like I drew here, or it may be a trend, but there are cycles. Now, what we typically see when a leg of a cycle is complete, okay, and it puts a turning point in, is we do not see, first of all, we do not see this behavior. We do not see what we call in market profile world a poor high or a poor low.